Good morning, it's Tuesday the 6th of November and here is your PrimeCap Daily. With sterling closing yesterday's session above the 1.14 mark against the euro and above the 1.3 mark against the US dollar, the two competing narratives of the midterms in the US with a strong economy and low unemployment fetted against euro weakness with regards to the potential for a Brexit deal and a lackluster motivation on the other side of the channel coming through from the Eurozone in terms of economic data, one thing we can say is that do not get comfortable. This can turn on a knife edge. Literally, as we've seen over the past 2 to 3 weeks, the pound can gain 1.5 cents overnight and lose it just as easily as Dominic Raab can forget his lines at a press conference. And so, as a currency broker, one of the most frequent questions we're asked is, when is the best time to exchange my money? Whether you're a business or indeed an individual. And of course it does depend on what you hold. So if you're selling a foreign currency and you're buying sterling, then you want for that foreign currency to be as high as possible. The reverse is true if you are an importer or a business, you have sterling and you want to buy as many US dollars or euros as you possibly can. What we encourage you to do is to look at it in terms of movements. If the pound has been at a consistently flat or sort of low level, maybe the 1.10 against the euro, 1.12 against the euro, and you see an improvement up, so a shoot up to the 1.14 mark, we would encourage you to view that move as the incentive you need to consider exchanging your pounds into euros. So it's not necessarily about picking the best time, it's about reacting quickly enough to movements in the direction that you want the rate to go. We're never going to be able to say buy right now because in 5 minutes time the rate will be worse. What we can do though is call you the moment we see an improvement up to these 114s or the 130 levels. Now, yesterday, UK car sales, new car sales were down for October. This is a bit of a kick in the face. We're an industry that was hoping to see a modest amount of recovery. Tomorrow we have retail sales month on month and year on year for the Eurozone. Don't expect any fireworks there. We also have a wee bit of sentiment coming out for the UK in terms of the housing market. For the most part, there's very little economic data coming out. Everyone is going to be holding their breath for what happens in the United States. So please do expect a wee bit of movement in the rates of exchange from when the East Coast wakes up, so at about 2:30 GMT. We will be coming back to you on Wednesday morning, and we thank you for your kind attention.